Single pa po ako. And then, I'm still searching and looking po. Kasi hindi naman yung sinasabi ni Sister Jolly kanina na tall, dark, blue eyes, or handsome, or whatever. But yung perfect will ng Panginoon. Amen?
Amen.
Welcome po to everybody. Mayroon po tayong mga first timer dito. Maricel Bradia. Nasaan po siya? Welcome, sister. Brother Ricky Mercado. Welcome, brother. Sister Nelly Alluang. Welcome, sister. We welcome you in the house of the Lord. I hope that this is not only your last, but I hope that this is only the first and only the beginning. Welcome also sa mga taga-Akaba. Si ate po, I forgot the name. Welcome po, sister, sa Wing Jordan. At sa ating pong lahat. Siguro, you were going to say na bakit kaya may bulilit dyan sa harapan. Pero sa mata ng Panginoon, He's not, hindi po nagtatangi ang Panginoon. If your heart is open to His call, and if you desire to serve Him, whoever you are, sabi nga walang pangit sa Panginoon, di ba? Kaya